Alright, so this is a tour of one of the king-size rooms at the Marriott Lakeshore Reserve. So I'm just going to give you a quick tour. Hi, hubby. Hello. We're here for our anniversary, second anniversary, so we're super excited. So we do have a little kitchenette here. So that's very nice. I didn't realize, or I forgot, that it came with this when I booked it. So very, very nice. You got a little mini fridge here. Got some trash can here. Some cleaning supplies. Oh, and you got some eating utensils. That's nice, Steve. We got some eating utensils.
Nice.
So we can actually like make a meal if we want. Well, not really make a meal, but just like microwave meals. Then you got a microwave here at the top. You got a little toaster. All the essentials that you need. Your coffee maker. Coffee pods, creamer pods. You got your dishes. And a husband waiting in the corner for me to finish filming.
Yep.
And then here is the bathroom. It's got your bathroom, got a nice full-size mirror there, toilet, and your shower is on this side. Here's a look at the shower. Got a tub. And then you got your little lotion and soap bar. And then continuing to the main area, got your king size bed. Really, really pretty, modern. Apparently they updated this hotel not too long ago. So very, very pretty. Kind of gives apartment vibes to me. Got a little closet over here on this side. Nice sized closet here. Got a little side table here. You can eat some meals. And you have a pull-out sofa right here. And then you got the balcony. And then our balcony outlooks the pool, which is very nice. There's our little balcony.